Hi everybody and welcome to Survival Dads. So today I want to show you this. This is a BCB Fire Dragon Multi-Fuel stove. Now this is a really cool little stove which is perfect for boiling water on the go, be it an emergency or a day out like this on the beach. So consisting of a lightweight metal folding stove, quite similar to the old Hexty stoves of old, which you may be familiar with. It has a central reservoir where you put the fuel in, and I'll demonstrate that shortly. You can use multi-fuels in this. You can use like old traditional Hexty, or you can use what it's designed for, primarily, Fire Dragon fuel gel. So you can use the block, put a block in there, or you can use the actual gel itself. So it's up to you, personal preference. But that holds it in there, keeping it nice and efficient. Comes with a wind deflector there. It says out, so you simply slot that into place and then pull the sides down to your required level for your canteen and you're ready to go. Simple as that. I should demonstrate its use. I'm going to get a brew on because I am thirsty. But yeah, not a bad day really for what was it, the 6th of December now? Happy days. So yeah, let's demonstrate its use. So when setting this up, it's always best to have the wind deflector on the side of the prevailing wind. What you can do also is dig a small hollow if you need to, just to, again, shield it from the wind as much as possible. The less wind it's going to have, the more efficient it's going to be, and the faster you're going to get some boiling water for your coffee or your tea. So first thing you want to do is make sure you have a nice level surface. Perfect, happy with that. Next thing, add the fuel. I will be using Dragon Gel fuel blocks. This in itself is really cool. You can actually clean your hands with it. It's a hand sanitizer. So always useful for field hygiene. So you can simply peel it out, give your hands a good old rub, get them nice and clean, ready for your meal. Next, simply drop it into the reservoir there, make sure your hand's nice and clean, and simply light. So this lights a number of different ways. You can use a ferro rod, you can use a flint and steel. I'm simply going to use a lighter because I'm in a hurry. So simply light. It takes very, very quickly and it burns very, very hot. So now that's lit, I can get my canteen on and get this water boiling. In no time at all, you have your coffee or tea ready to go. So the BCB Multifuel cooker is available from a number of different stores and is pretty much available nation and worldwide. So it weighs 110 grams empty. When you buy it, it does come with no fuel, so that's something to keep in mind. But the Fire Dragon Gel, for example, is very cheap and it can be bought in multi-packs. This is actually used by the British Armed Forces as I currently record this. So definitely useful and approved by British Army. So what more do you want? Solid and reliable. Anyway, I'll see you when my water's boiled. Looks like the water's ready. Quick burn times. I love Fire Dragon Gel. Yep, that's ready. As you can see, the Fire Dragon Gel is still burning nice and hot. It's going to be burning for some time as well. Cheers everyone.